This Century 21 Prestige Realty property video is presented by Kelly Scarborough. Very well kept Indian Hills townhome with so many features, 3 bedrooms 2.5 baths plus a large 2-car garage. This one also features a bonus room. The floor plan is so versatile with area for small table and kitchen plus additional dining area. There is a wood-burning fireplace. Small private patio area. Wonderful location near restaurants, shopping, freeway and hospitals. Condo fee covers grounds, building exterior insurance, pool, pavilion with restrooms and tennis courts. Also must see. For more information, review the details below or contact Kelly Scarborough at 501-982-7474.